Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for joining me. I wanted to share some filling salad recipes that can be eaten as a meal or a side. I'll be prepping these salads for my lunches and dinners this week. The first salad is a spinach and pasta salad. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell. First, we'll start with cooking the pasta in lightly salted boiling water. These recipes work best with short pasta, such as penne or bow tie pasta. Today, I'm using whole wheat rotini. Next, we'll cut up some cherry tomatoes. I really love these multicolored ones. They're so pretty. All of the ingredients, by the way, are going to be listed below in the description box. We're also going to add in a red onion, as well as a cucumber. I'm using an English cucumber, which is one of my favorites, along with Persian cucumbers. I prefer to cut cucumbers like this in smaller bite-sized pieces, but you can leave them as a circle if you'd like. In a large bowl, add in your onions, as well as some olive oil. Next, we'll add in some minced garlic, and then we'll add in some balsamic vinegar. This recipe also works well with red wine vinegar. Go ahead and mix your onions in with the olive oil and balsamic vinegar. Now pour in your cooked and drained pasta. I decided to mix after the addition of each ingredient so that everything is well coated with the dressing. Now we'll add in some black pepper and kosher salt. Please just add enough to your liking. Remember that we've already salted the water for the pasta, so there's no need to add too much salt. Now we'll add in the other main ingredient, our spinach. I should have used baby spinach or cut up the spinach a little bit smaller, but this is what we have and it ended up working out. Now we're ready to serve. This salad would also be great with a little squeeze of lemon on top. And here is recipe number 1, our spinach pasta salad. Recipe number 2 is a shrimp BLT salad that I also ended up adding avocado to. In a large bowl, add in some pasta. I'm using the same pasta that I used from recipe number 1 since I was meal prepping. Next, add in some red onion. I have so much avocado, so I needed to add some to this recipe. I've been making a lot of guacamole and eating that with my homemade tortilla chips. Now we'll add in both halves of the avocado to our pasta and onions. Next, add in some cherry tomatoes. I love arugula, so I had to add it into this salad. Now cook some bacon in a pan or in the oven. I'm using low sodium bacon. I cook the bacon a little bit crispier than usual so that it stays crispy even in the refrigerator. Drain the bacon on some paper towel. Now we'll cook some shrimp. I seasoned mine with just salt and pepper. Next, we'll start our dressing. In a small bowl, add in some plain Greek yogurt. To the yogurt, add in some black pepper, kosher salt, garlic powder, white vinegar or lemon juice. Next, add in some green onions. Chives would work even better for this recipe, but I didn't have any. Now we can continue to assemble. Add in your bacon and your shrimp. Next, drizzle on the dressing. I'm not a huge fan of creamy dressings, but I wanted to try something new. You can go ahead and add in a little bit at a time or a lot, or you can serve the dressing on the side. Now it's time to plate salad number 2. For the shrimp in this recipe, you can choose to serve them with the tails on or off. Alright friends, here's our shrimp and avocado BLT salad. Last but not least, we have a Thai-inspired broccoli salad. First, start off with shredding some carrots. You could also purchase a bag of shredded carrots if you don't have a grater. Next, we'll shred some red cabbage. Now we'll cut up a head of broccoli. You can also use prepackaged broccoli florets. Keep in mind that this salad is easier to eat if you cut up the broccoli pretty small and into bite-sized pieces. You should also cut off the stems. Add in some red bell pepper as well as some jalapeno. For our dressing, we're going to use peanut butter as the base. Add in some minced garlic, honey, ginger. Fresh ginger would probably taste even better. Some rice wine vinegar, and a little bit of sesame oil. You can also add in some cayenne pepper or chili powder. As you can see, the dressing is pretty thick, so I added in some water and a little bit more rice wine vinegar to thin it out. Now it's time to assemble this salad. You can add in your ingredients in any order you'd like. I had a can of chickpeas in my pantry, so I decided to toss those in as well. And now we're all done with salad number 3, our Thai-inspired broccoli salad. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video and got some ideas for your next lunch or dinner. Please comment below and let me know which salad you're going to try first. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. See you next time.